Hi guys, in this video we will see how to adjust administrator approval on your Windows 11 system. It means administrator protection enable in your Windows 11 system. Here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Here type gpedit.msc in search field and click on OK. This will open local group policy editor in your Windows 11 10 home edition only. So open local group policy editor window. Here from the left side go to computer configuration. Under computer configuration expand Windows settings. Here go to security settings, select it, expand it, and here you will find local policies. Select local policies. Under local policies you will find security options. Select it and thereafter go to right side. And here at the bottom of the page you will find an option named user account control. Allow admin approval. Look for this option, user account control, type of admin approval mode. This is not, just go above and you will find user account control configure type of admin approval mode. So simply apply a double click on it to open its properties windows. Here you can see a new window will open, user account control configure type of admin approval. Here from the go to local security settings and here click on a small arrow and here you will find admin approval mode with an administrative protection and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Rather, if you want to change these settings, if you want to keep default, then choose default and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. That's all.